What if we put Legos on a dance pad?
This is a stupid idea. I can't feel my feet.
Check me out, y'all.
Listen, dancing games, boring. They get old. Seeing people get hurt, hilarious. Stepping on Legos, the only thing I can think of that hurts more than that is like getting hit by a bus. Maybe.
Yeah.
So you can see how I crafted this big brain idea. Unfortunately, I can't buy one of the classic massive DDR machines because, however, we can buy a cheap one off of Amazon. What could possibly go wrong? This smells like doo-doo.
Oh God, I could get high off of that.
When I bought this dance pad, there was one review of it. It was 1 star, and it simply said the disc was scratched. Thank you for purchasing our product. This product is made for dancing and healthcare. I had no idea they use these in hospitals. There is maybe have some white powder on the surface of the product. Please wipe off. I used to tell my college professors the same thing whenever I handed in an essay. Don not put it near the furniture and other odds in. Make sure to have the cushion. Do not wear sharp shoes when using it. I'm losing brain cells. Let's just make it Lego activated.
Wait, please. No. Why do you buy us electronics just to torture us? To rip us apart like a dog and treat us like a chew toy? I have a wife and kids. Have you no soul? Please don't force us to submit to this cruel existence of pain and existentialism. Please put us out of our misery.
Well, I'm probably just hallucinating again.
Why?
Okay, it's been 5 days since that jump cut. I finally stopped procrastinating, and I hooked up buttons to the dance pad. So now there's no more dance in Dance Dance Revolution. It's just press revolution. No fun allowed. So now I can just plop a Lego piece on top of this button and then kick back, relax, and call it a day, right?
Wrong.
Okay, glue, weak as hell. Not gonna work. I need something that can withstand the human body. So I bought this epoxy stuff. Do you know how strong epoxy is? I caught it bench pressing the other day. It can hold giant hunks of metal together. It can hold me together after a long day. Boom, now it can withstand the weight of one of those old CRT TVs being dropped on it. Oh, you thought I was kidding? Psych, bitch!
Ah, sprinkle over.
Put a shard of glass in here somewhere.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to sign this before we start. Well, this looks a lot like you just scribbled on it. It doesn't actually look like...
No.
Legally binding?
Yeah, legally binding.
Step on. Step on. Just step on!
Oh, God.
You can move it, look.
Do we win anything for this?
No. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Oh, Sam got it?
Oh, good. Oh, I got good. Oh, okay.
There you go.
Ow. Oh, both of them. Okay. Oh, again.
You really gotta jump for that, man.
Oh, okay. Miss. No, screw you. It's down. I got this. Good. Great. Oh, we got it. Look at that. Go. This is a stupid idea. God, this one. I can't feel my feet. Oh my God! Why are you doing that? Why? I'm pretty sure all the buttons are broken. What was my score? Failed! Are you kidding me? Did you see my moves? They're still all stuck to the bottom of my foot.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm actually bleeding enough?
Bleeding? Okay, I'm
You're bleeding. Oh, there's some scabs there, and there's.
What the
yeah. That's
Little
not.
blood.
There's just Lego implants in this.
Who's next?
Can we go next?
You might be finding Legos for weeks.
Are you ready?
Stay cool, Mitchell.
I'm just gonna start it, and you're just gonna have to get on when it starts. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? You fucking suck, man. What the hell? Did you see how I just... That was expert. You came just in time because we got a social experiment we're doing.
Oh, sounds awful.
No.
Yeah, you're not gonna need those.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Let's go. I'm not a quitter. I might be a quitter. Oh. I might be done.
Bravo, Mitchell, you broke everything.
You good? Are you good?
That hurts.
Yeah, you'll walk it off, Fed.
Yeah.
Good?
Oh god. Oh god.
Come on, man.
Yeah, nice. Oh, this is easy.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Get it.
Oh! Okay, I got one. We're good. We're good. Okay, you know, I'll get a little rough. Ow! Ow!
Where did the
screwdriver
come from?
Oh! Ah! Ah! Yeah.
Where's the gun, man?
Oh shit! Oh! Fuck. Ow! 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 I think I broke all of it. I fucking broke all of it. We're good though. Ah! Ow! 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 Where the fuck did the duct tape come from? Ow! 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 Ah! Oh god. That was the best orgasm of my life right there. Yeah, blood. Oh.
I think that was a success.
I think so, cameraman Colin. I think so.
You can't touch that.